In the oil and gas industry, speed is everything. Every minute of unplanned downtime costs millions. The irony? We're a predictive industry, but our daily operations are often stuck in a reactive past. You have incredible data from IoT sensors, SCADA systems, and your ERP, but it's all trapped in silos. The people on the ground, the operators and supervisors, are waiting on IT for the tools they need. This gap creates huge risks, delayed safety checks, slow contractor onboarding, and a total lack of real-time visibility for executives. That's precisely the problem Swift for Oil and Gas solves. We empower the people closest to the operation, your business analysts, field supervisors, and engineers, to co-create their own enterprise-grade apps, AI agents, and automations in days, not months. No coding required. The magic is in the integration. Swift is built to speak the language of your core systems. We connect seamlessly with ERPs like SAP, Oracle, JD Edwards, and your IoT and SCADA feeds. Imagine an IoT sensor detecting a vibration anomaly. Swift doesn't just alert you, it uses AI to predict a failure, auto-triggers a new work order in your ERP, checks the spare parts inventory, and dispatches the right maintenance crew's mobile app. This is more than just rapid app development. It's about creating an agile, connected digital nervous system for your entire operation. Let's look at the results across your business. Upstream. Operators use the Field Incident app with offline mode and QR code tagging to report critical issues in seconds, even miles offshore, dramatically reducing the time from incident to resolution. Midstream, compliance teams spin up a supplier portal in days, allowing vendors to self-manage documents and safety certifications, turning a weeks-long headache into a 24-hour approval cycle. Downstream, plant managers deploy a digital inspection app to enforce compliance checklists and generate automated tamper-proof audit trails for OSHA and EPA regulations, significantly lowering your regulatory risk. And for leadership, the executive real-time dashboard provides a single source of truth across rigs, logistics, and finance, allowing for faster, data-driven decisions. Swift Oil and Gas moves you from reactive firefighting to proactive, predictive operations. It's about giving people on the ground the agility to solve their own problems while preserving the integrity of your core enterprise systems. Ready to see how your own teams can build the critical apps you need in less than a week? Book a live demo today. We'll show you a specific solution for your most urgent pain point, whether it's downtime, compliance, or field reporting. Come, let's get started.